Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking to find your new favorite top? Look no further because I have found it. This is the long sleeve workout top by ANNVA USA. And while it is a workout top, I honestly could live in this top 24/7 because it is so comfortable, so soft, and so cute. So I have it in a size small. If it's true to size for me, something I really appreciate about this top is that it is very form fitting. So when I am doing a workout, I don't have to worry about extra fabric getting in my way, but because it's made of a breathable mesh material, it moves with me. So it's not constricting at all. And the material is buttery soft. Like, I seriously never want to take this off. It is so cozy. And possibly the best feature, actually definitely the best feature of all, is the fact that it has these little spots for your thumbs. So the sleeve length, I think, is perfect for that. It is so cozy. This is amazing on a chilly day if you're doing like a stretch routine, or if you're going for a run, or if you just want to wear this to run errands. It is so perfect. And of course, you don't have to use that feature for the thumbs. You can roll up the sleeves if you want to. I love how long this top is too. It's very flattering. If you want full coverage, you can pull the top down. Depending on how tall you are, it hits me at the hips. Or if you want, you can kind of pull it up and let it rest a little bit more on your waist. So totally customizable to what you need, but it's definitely going to move with you through your workout, and it's going to provide full coverage while being super comfy. This blue color, it's kind of like a beautiful like pastel periwinkle. I think it's perfect. This is my new favorite top. It's fantastic to move in, so comfy and buttery soft, but that's just my point of view.